Hello and welcome to Xtalks Vitals, home to the latest food, life science, and medical device news. I'm Aisha Rashid. Natural food coloring biotech startup Phytolon has secured $14.5 million in a Series A funding round, bringing the company's total funding to $20.1 million. Here's Sydney Perlmutter with the story.
Thank you for the introduction, Aisha. Founded in 2018, Phytolon has developed sustainable alternatives to traditional food colorings. While current natural food colorings are dependent on agriculture and mostly derived from fruit and vegetables, Phytolon uses a novel technology to produce pigments through the fermentation of baker's yeast. The company offers a wide range of natural food colors, including yellow, red, and purple, which can be used in multiple food categories like alternative meat, baked goods, confectionery, dairy, frozen products, and snacks. The need for healthy, efficient, and sustainable natural food coloring has become more urgent in recent years. Artificial food coloring has been linked to numerous health concerns, including attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and some forms of cancer. Phytolon is hopeful its natural food coloring can solve existing environmental and safety issues of artificial food dyes. It has already reached a semi-industrial production scale, and it's now preparing for regulatory approval in the US and Europe. Despite its proprietary technology, Phytolon will be entering a crowded and ever-growing market. According to meticulous research, the natural food colorings market is expected to reach $3.2 billion by 2027 at a compound annual growth rate of 8.4%. Back to you, Aisha.
Thank you, Sydney, for that story. That's it for today's show. Visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and click the link in the description below to find out more about our featured food webinar for this episode. Using food processing machinery for sous vide cooking to deliver a quality product. Join us again for all your life science, medical device, and food industry news on xtalks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below and click the notification button to stay tuned for more.